Toyota today announced a series of improvements and enhancements that will further strengthen its Yaris Hybrid hatchback range, increasing the market appeal of a model range that has proven an outstanding success for the brand. New Hybrid 130 features 5th generation hybrid technology and joins existing Hybrid 115 to offer faster acceleration and more engaging drive experience. New Premier Edition and GR Sport grades will feature Hybrid 130 as standard. Toyota is introducing a completely new digital dimension to the car. The comprehensive package includes a customizable driver's instrument display, a more powerful and intuitive multimedia system, convenient and stable connectivity, and for the first time a hands-free digital key to access and start the car. New Yaris Premier Edition Halo model with ultimate specification and exclusive Neptune Blue with a contrast black roof and pillars really looks amazing. Online reservations of the new Yaris in some European markets will begin in June. Tell me in your comments, how do you like it?